Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this chicken in spicy roasted bell pepper sauce. Guys, this sauce is hot, it is spicy, and it's packed full of flavor. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, do not forget to like this video, share this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, you'll be needing to have some red bell peppers, of course, and you'll also need to have some scotch bonnet, some onions, garlic, and jalapeno peppers, and you'll need to have some chicken breasts that I cut in half. So I'm seasoning my chicken boobies with some salt, some freshly cracked black pepper. I'm also going to add some dried rosemary and some paprika. So I'm keeping this seasoning really simple, guys, because I really want the star of this dish to be the flavor of that roasted pepper, because it is amazing. So now I'm going to set my chicken aside to marinate, and while it's marinating, I'm going ahead to roast my peppers. So today I'll be roasting my peppers in my oven, but if you have a grill, use the grill because grill flavors are amazing. But I'm roasting it in the oven today at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. And I made sure to season with some salt because you want to layer your flavors. So after about 20 minutes of roasting, this is what the peppers look like. They look and smell so good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pluck out the burnt parts of it, and I will be blending it with my blender. So now I've headed over to the stove and I am going to start searing my meat. So today I will be searing it for about 3 minutes on each side just to give color to the meat, because guys, when it comes to meat, color is flavor. So take your time, make sure you get all the sides seared. So I've taken my chicken off the pan and I am going to start making my sauce. So today I'm starting by cooking my blended onions and peppers and garlic first, because I want to give it time to cook out that raw onions and garlic flavor. So give this a head start. After about 4 minutes of cooking it, you can go ahead and add your blended roasted peppers. Because guys, the roasted peppers are pretty much cooked, but you still want to cook it on the stove just to give the flavors time to get married and the pepper time to develop even more flavor. So while that is cooking, be sure to season with some salt, some pepper. I'm also going to throw in some rosemary and some Tony Chacheres, because I love Tony Chacheres. It is amazing. So once I have that in there, I'm going to give this a really good mix, and I am going to just let it do its thing on the stove and simmer on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes. But if you have more time, you can cook it for longer. Just make sure to keep stirring it so it doesn't get burnt. But if it gets dry, you can go ahead and add some chicken stock or some water to water it down a little bit. Mine was too dry, so I added some chicken stock. So once I had my chicken stock in there, I added my chicken back into the pan, and I am going to let this simmer again for another 10 minutes just to give the chicken time to cook through and through, and also give the chicken time to absorb all that flavor. So I garnished with some dried dill just to make it look pretty, and my dish is done. So you can serve this over rice, you can serve it over pasta, beans, potatoes, plantains, whatever. It tastes amazing. So anyway, try this out and let me know in the comment section down below if you really liked it. And if you liked it, go ahead and share the video. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, now would be the time to do it. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I love you all. See you guys in the next video.